This is the view from my balcony, or to be honest, from my parents' balcony. And this fellow here is called Stockberg. And that's our mission for today. There's only one problem left. The forecast predicted rain at 4 o'clock, so we had to be quick. I hurried, filled up my water bottle and jumped in my shoes. Off we go. It took me 15 minutes just to get to the start of the trail. And yeah, the cow sign is pretty normal in Switzerland. With the elevation picking up, the view also started getting better. And the 30 degrees temperature started kicking in, and I was pouring sweat like a 400-pound lad. Anyways, sometimes I forget how beautiful this place actually is. Check this out.
Wow.
Another 30 minutes into the trail, the clouds already starting rolling in, so I had to pick up my speed. I'm not gonna lie, almost running through the dark forest with the thunder playing the background music is pretty scary, but it was just a few minutes away from the peak. Within minutes after finally touching the cross, the first raindrops already started hitting my sweat-covered shirt. So I put away the unneeded weight and started running like a kid that just got offered some candy. But it was too late, I got really wet. Halfway down on the street, a young man offered me a ride to the start of the trail. Thanks to this fellow, and yeah, that's my story for today. Bye!